that to stay upon my Master, thank you, my dear. Blessed be thy name. Queenie mad over the puppy. Yes, we did a. We can't even find Tamika. Tamika, I can't find you now, Tamika. Please, Tamika, I want to catch a little puppy for keep her. I can't go back. You know what the puppy? Would you make sure you catch that Windy? Oh, Windy boy, the skin up at the puppy. Windy, you catch her. Oh, God, mega cry. Oh, my God, so this again with one more, the skin up at the puppy. That's so much of them again. Oh, Father God. Wow. Thank you very much. Oh, my God, Queenie, calm down. Ooh. Jesus, Tonton, what happened, Tamika? Tamika, I can't even find you. Wait the baby, but I calm down. So Tamika, yeah. Ooh. But I not see nothing for follow you when I press the name, girl. Jesus. Eh? Wow. Thank you very much. Jesus Christ. Ouch. May I have one next mirror here?
What? Me like them Queenie.
Eh?
Me like them crystal looking something there.
Yeah. So may I have those two mirrors?
These mirrors over here. Mirror over there.
One mirror in the corner over there, so look how much come take down the RT boss. This.
Wow.
This.
Mirror?
Of the wall.
Out of all of the mirror them when I have in the house, I have these little one, you know. I have that one here. I have many small mirrors, right?
Mm-hmm.
But this is when I tear off the whole of this. That big long mirror here. It's so long.
Mm-hmm.
It him tear off. See the whole tear out the whole of this, tear off this, mash up all. He mash up all this. Watch her.
Yeah, but
You see?
Downstairs. I have to bring it.
You have to make him cut down on the drinking, man.
No. And nothing to do with that. It's my demons.
Wow. Cut down on your demon, them.
Wow.
RT.
And that the brother come downstairs, come give me from all look and just look at my face, you know, that big mirror here, you know, RT, this, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And this look, I lift it up down the stairs, you know.
Bring it downstairs.
Bring this downstairs, come give me, you know, RT.
And then I have to bring it back upstairs.
Out of all of the, 3 days, I'm not see him for that night, the man. You said I did.
You don't know.
3 days,
That's what it give you enough time. RT. Hold on. You see big man reasoning, yeah? Tell me to go upstairs and get a mirror. But they never tell me what kind of mirror. So me come, and me just rip the mirror off the wall, take it downstairs, go downstairs, look at me and say, what the hell? And I realize.
You rip the mirror off of the wall, you know.
I rip it off a concrete wall.
I rip it off the truth, you know. You say I learn to fix back properly. But so when I see the man, I said, God.
I'm have to bring it.
And I'm proud, you know. I'm still, you're proud, though.
Because number one, you know that.
Queenie.
Yeah.
One different man say, the queen need a big glass. The queen have to get something bigger so she can say what I said, so he want you to see everything.
No, I'm just not focused. Let me give you a perfect
Jay, you tell me about mirror. I'll go and get a mirror. Don't tell me about I'm not focused, you know. I'll rip the whole place. No one was very specific on what they need.
RT, if me the normal, me and Mash wouldn't be
no
friends.
One would
my
be
RT,
specific.
RT, one story. It's to become in a normal, and that make me and him last so long.
I realize you.
Yeah,
That's you. I agree. I respect you for talking to me. I respect you for talking.
RT,
That's why I love you, you know, you talk it truth.
if me the normal, me could have coped with this man, and me I tell
What? No, I want that no thing. Mine is normal, you know. Because I told you normal, make you tell me, you know.
No, man. Mash is a run and a half, man. This man do me something, sometimes I have to say no, Mash. Me and the man Pampute, I go a show Saturday night.
Yeah.
And I him a select. It's like how you select inside, I make you listen to the song them or something. But so that time when Pampute is tears out, Mash just stop it. When Pampute say, Mash, Queenie best friend. This is Pampute. Queenie best friend. Queenie best friend. Yeah, no, I don't want no. Mr. RT buy somebody married for my money for the old tree. Oh, I'm Mr. Mash. Me not go with you again. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Queenie. Queenie, I come in.
It's the first time I meet Pampute. Yeah, I don't care, my lady.
But we had option of cat.
Pampute the pan. Pampute the pan. No, Queenie best friend. No, man, just make even one of the song play. Not even half of the song, man, so make it play.
Yeah. The mistake the people that make me connect to the car system.
Imagine no Pampute I go on.
But she's a very nice girl, though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. She got.
But I met a Mash at the first you meet her.
Yeah, the second time, Jay.
Which why you meet her already?
Cried and Jay.
Cried. Mash, shut up. I see him first. You're driving, you're driving a same vehicle. You understand me? What do you call it? Hospitality. Is that the word?
Escort.
Hospitality.
No, yeah, look for. But I understand, Queenie.
I do me and Pampute to my Mash. You're not going to know what we again. God say yes, God will bless you Sunday and Bones TV. Tune into Sunday and Bones TV for the latest updates throughout the world. Sunday and Bones TV crazy, never leave it. The Queen is here. God say yes, God will bless you Sunday and Bones TV. Tune into Sunday and Bones TV for the latest updates throughout the world. Sunday and Bones TV crazy, never leave it. The Queen is here.